Oh man, this girl. Alright, so what's the duty of a plumber? Yo, Kevin, stop. You're going to sit in the hallway. What's the duty of a plumber? I'm talking to you, Shayla.
Oh, protect the nation, protect the health nation.
Health nation?
No, the
Protect the health.
Protect the health of nation.
The
Nation.
Thank you. Okay, you ready, Daphne? All right, we're going to start off kind of easy for you. Want to start off easy?
Well, yeah.
All right, we're going to start off easy. Everybody be quiet. Here she go. Drink it fast. Here. Drink it fast. Hurry up.
Let's go water.
Is that right? All right. Probably still start off a little easy for you. Here you go.
Cherry water.
Oh, man. She's really good.
Wait.
We got to drink these fast. Hurry up.
Lime water.
Huh?
Lemon water.
Lemon?
Lemon. No, lime juice.
Okay.
Damn.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Lime juice. Oh, lemon juice. Lemon. Oh.
Here you go.
Alkaline water. I don't know how to say it.
Which one was it?
Alkaline water. I don't know.
I thought you was paying attention, Daphne.
Because I'm writing.
All you gotta do is put a check if she get it right.
Oh.
What's that one water? The first water. The
stilt?
Yeah, stilt water. Is it like the? Wait, I thought it was one. Is it like the before the last one? I forgot the names. Can you repeat the names for me again? Can you repeat the names for me? What?
Are you looking for me?
Yeah, wait, can you
Right
repeat the names for me again?
Which one do you think it is? The stilt?
No, I already said the stilt one.
All right, so you're wrong because it was the stilt.
It was a stilt?
Yeah.
God.
At least you're right.
She got all of them right, just like a still water.
I got them right.
Except one.
Except, okay, but still, I